here because what if we find an animal and we die?
Why you wanna always say the word die? So much drama this girl.
Hey guys, we're one more day in my video in this
YouTube channel.
Okay guys, we're one more day in my YouTube channel. And this is gonna be a different video because it's gonna be in English because you know why? We're in San Diego, so we're doing one of the best hiking in the world. So you better stay here and watch the whole video. We're with my boyfriend.
What's up, boys?
David. We found this hiking to the beach. It's in La Jolla. So guys, if you like hiking, you better put thumbs up for a like. Okay, see you. See you in the beach, guys. We stopped here to take some pictures. There's a beautiful spot. Like there's the two mountains and there a light. How do I say that?
A tiny lighting.
There's like a reflection of the sun. That is awesome. So we're just here walking because we have no idea where we are. And if we lost and someone found my phone.
Fine.
Thanks for finding my phone.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. But yeah, we're still walking. Dios, qué guapo! We're right here trying to find the best way to walk, but everything is so hard and slippery. Slippery? How do I say that?
Yeah, slippery.
Slippery. So let's make sure we don't fall and die. That's the main point. Okay, babe?
Don't die.
Don't die.
I agree.
Okay. We've been taking a lot of cool pictures. So stay tuned to our Instagrams. Okay, so this man is gonna jump all the way there to down here. Do you guys think he's gonna make it or not?
Because I didn't have a choice, you know? And when you don't have a choice, you have to do it.
Ah! You made it! Good job. Proud of you. Okay, people, we're almost in the beach, but this is too hard. Yeah, it's beautiful. Like everyone should come to this hiking. Like I for sure. No!
Now it's not that funny, huh? I'm struggling.
Hell no! No, I'm so scared.
You're fine, baby.
No, for real. I'm stuck. Guys,
Okay, so
we made
we
it.
almost died. We had to wear barefoot in order to pass that shit.
Because if not, we're gonna end right there.
I know it's that fucking shit.
Like it looks super like simple and easy, but no, guys, this is the hardest thing I
We're
have.
close to cry, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. She doesn't want to move from there.
This car, people. I don't know how to use my feet. I'm not a hiker. Oh, right here. Oh, my ass is gonna be dirty.
That's fine, I clean it.
Oh, I made it. I made it. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, now we have to go this way. We have to go that way. So,
Guys, we made it. It's so hard, but
it's doable.
it's worth it, you know?
And it's completely doable. It's not that hard.
There's just a lot of slippery, but it's okay. You just need to get used to it.
For sure, the view, I can say that is worth it.
It's amazing. We're right here in the beach. we'll see you here next time. You should come and enjoy this beautiful and amazing hiking to the beach. This is so scary. We saw some people walking up here. We're like, we need to go there. So we found a little way to come here and look this beautiful vista.